I'm Cassandra,
And I'm Amber.
and this is our project on titrations.
Our lab is on titrations. Some important vocab you need to know. Titration is a controlled addition and measurement of the amount of solution of known concentration required to react completely with measured amount of solution of an unknown concentration.
The equivalence point is the point at which two solutions used in the titration are present in chemically equivalent amounts.
The end point is the point in a titration which the indicator changes colors. Something else you need to know is we've already run distilled water through the burette to clean it to make sure all those previous chemicals are out. You need to add 3 drops of phenolphthalein to your 1 molar HCl. Now you're ready to begin your titration. You can titrate at different speeds depending on the how fast you spin the clock stop. Pink phenolphthalein start to show. It is important that you stir so that all the phenolphthalein is mixed in. When you can't stir the phenolphthalein anymore, that's when you know that you're done titrating, and that's when your solution reached its end point. Once you start to get close, you can do smaller drops like that, or you can also do faster. The goal is to get a really light pink color. And I did too much, so this one's really dark. This is why you always want to do at least 3 trials of titrations to avoid error. After you've recorded data, you now have to find the calculations to get the molarity of the HCl. With a balanced equation, you realize that there are no coefficients and you can use a shortcut. M1 times V1 equals M2 times V2. So you write down what you know. The first molarity was 1.6 molar. The first volume was the 7 milliliters that we used, which you want to change to liters. The second molarity is unknown. And the second volume was the 10 milliliters that we used. From here, we can start our equation. We take 1.6 times 0.007 equals x times 0.10. You divide side by 0.010. And you get x to equal 1.12. This is now the molarity of the HCl. The actual results were 1, but because of error and over-titration, this is incorrect. Some things to remember while titrating in the lab. You always want to label your chemicals on the beaker with the molarity, name of the chemical, and the date in which you made that chemical. You also always have to wear goggles. It's important to rinse the beaker with distilled water and NaOH before starting your titration to get rid of any previous chemicals, and always be safe. Thanks for watching.